The House of Wisdom was a special place in Baghdad. It was a center of learning. It was built in the 9th century. The Abbasid caliphs ruled during this time. The House of Wisdom was more than just a library. It was a place where people translated old books. These books were from Greece, Persia, and India. Scholars came from all over to study there. The House of Wisdom was important for the Islamic Golden Age. This period lasted for centuries. It was a time of great intellectual growth. The House of Wisdom was at the heart of it. The Abbasid caliphs loved knowledge. They wanted to collect all the world's wisdom. They sent people out to find books. These books were in different languages. The caliphs paid people to translate the books. They translated them into Arabic. Arabic was the language of scholarship then. This translation effort was huge. It took many years to complete. The House of Wisdom became a library of translated works. It had books on many subjects. It had books on medicine, astronomy, and mathematics. It also had books on philosophy, literature, and history. Many important scholars worked at the House of Wisdom. One was Al-Khwarizmi. He was a famous mathematician. He wrote a book about algebra. This book changed maths. Another important scholar was Al-Razi. He was a doctor. He wrote about diseases. He also wrote about how to treat them. His books were important for hundreds of years. Scholars at the House of Wisdom made many discoveries. They studied the stars. They learned about the human body. They also made advances in mathematics. Their work was very influential. The House of Wisdom was eventually destroyed. It happened during the Mongol invasion of Baghdad in 1258, but its legacy lived on. The knowledge from the House of Wisdom spread to Europe. This knowledge helped to start the Renaissance. The Renaissance was a time of great learning in Europe. It was a rebirth of art, science, and culture. The House of Wisdom is a reminder of the power of knowledge. It shows what happens when different cultures come together. It is a story about the importance of preserving and translating knowledge. The House of Wisdom's legacy continues to inspire us today.